Afternoon once again with Dr. Ajayi and everyone. Well, I'm Bolaji Olasoji, and I'm a mother of 3 children, and and I'm a businesswoman. Okay, so my own stories I was told I had fibroids. Not that I was told. I was told, yes, because I went to see my doctor and they laid down my complaints because I normally have heavy periods. My menstrual periods are very heavy, and it takes like 7 days. It's like if it starts like on Monday, I know it's going to end the next Monday. So it was very heavy and very uncomfortable. Like normally during my period, I'll have to spend like 3 days at home. I'll not really be able to go out, and I'll be in pain. I'll be in severe pain, lower abdominal pain, and also lower back pain, and also even some cramps in my cramps, and I'll just be generally in pain. I'll not be able to go out. I'll not be able to concentrate on my work. I'll be ill, almost able to the extent of wanting to throw up, and I'll not have peaceful night rest for at least 1 or 2 nights. So I went to see my doctor, and I was told that, okay, I have to remove the fibroids. And so that's how I now stumbled upon HIFU. So when I was told I have to do a surgery to remove the fibroids, so I went online to look for alternatives. So in looking for the alternative, I stumbled upon the HIFU treatment. By then, it was not in Nigeria. So they explained that the machine would soon come to Nigeria. Then eventually they started a WhatsApp group, and they said if we're interested, we could join the WhatsApp group. So I joined the WhatsApp group, and I kept on learning a little more about the HIFU, and then I noticed that, okay, that is a new innovation. And I also noticed again that most of the people that were asking questions there were people looking for, that had infertility problem, looking for children. Then I just made up my mind that, okay, 1, I'm not looking for children again, and 2, I'm a widow, and right at that time, I was not ready to, I thought that, okay, probably this machine will be above what I could afford. So anyway, I pulled out of the group. Then someone from Nordica, probably the admin, now got in touch with me and asked me why I pulled out. So I narrated all I've just said. I narrated, and I was told that there's an opening. Okay, all right. Yes. So anyway, so that was how I stumbled upon HIFU, and
somebody is disturbing your story. Who is disturbing your story?
Should I continue my story, sir? Well, I would have loved to continue because I benefited a lot from HIFU and Nordica. So I would love to share my story, So anyway, okay, sir. So that's how I was told, and Nordica adopted me. Let me just put it that way. They adopted me as their special patient. So I was able to go through the process, and it's been a wonderful experience because number 1, I didn't have to go under the knife. So that was really relieving, that I didn't have to be opened and stitched up and all that. And then number 2 was the whole experience also made me to know that I did not only have fibroids, but I also had adenomyosis. So the HIFU procedure was able to treat both the fibroids and the adenomyosis. And then the beauty of this HIFU is that after the treatment, I was able to, a few days after the treatment, I was up and about. But I just had to actually caution myself. I had to stay at home for 4 days, just to obey what the doctor said, okay, like rest for like 2 or 3 days. But really I could get up and actually do whatever I want to do. I was not restricted. And so that was really a plus. That was really a plus for me. And yes, and then my cycle came and it was regular. It was just normal. The flow was just normal. It wasn't abnormal like before. So that has been my experience. Yeah, so my appreciation goes to Nordica, HIFU, and Fibroid Care Center.